verb of have. Okay, ये रखने में आ रहा है. You are keeping something. Okay, now this one verb of have. You are having something. It's present. And you had something. It's a remote past. ये बहुत दूर का past है. माजी की बात हो रही है. Had. Okay. And will have and shall have. जैसे आपने ये लिखा था may be, may have, might have, and must have. And must have. He will have a pen. She will have a pen. वो एक कलम रखेगी. She will have a pen. They will have cars. You will have bikes. Understand? So will have and shall have stands for approaching time. जो next time आने वाला है. आगे जो next time आ रहा है. जो present में कि वो कलम रखेगी, उसके पास एक कलम होगा. For example, you just look at will have and shall have. It is for approaching time. And may have, might have, and must have. He may have a pencil. He may have a pencil. Similarly, he might have. May stands for shayad. And might थोड़ा कम possibility है. मुमकिन नहीं है. And must, it's a dead surety. Inevitable ये चीज must होगी. Similarly, you will use these three, you can say, modal verbs. These are the modal verbs. What are the modal verbs? Can, could, may, might, shall, should. Understand? Will, would. These are the modal verbs. These are being used in spoken English. Understand?
Yes, sir.
And now look at, this is verb of have and has. And had stands for remote past. And similarly, will have and shall have. You are keeping something in your future. Okay, similarly, may have, might have, and must have. These are also being used in place of these helping verbs.
Yes.
And now I'm just whatever. Now you are listening to me. What I have taught you again, I repeat it.
Sorry, question.
Yes.
He must do that. He should do that.
Yeah.
Difference.
What is difference? Okay, I tell you. Should means you should do this. तुम्हें ये करना चाहिए. You must do this. तुम्हें लाजमी ये करना चाहिए. Must and should. इन दोनों में उर्दू में चाहिए इनका मीनिंग है. But must, this stands for inevitable. ये लाजिम है. Must जो है ये obligatory है. You should go there. आपको वहां जाना चाहिए. अगर मैं किसी को कहूँ I should come, मुझे आना चाहिए. पॉसिबिलिटी ये भी है कि शायद ना आए. तो अगर वो कहता है I must come, मुझे ज़रूर आना है. I have to come. जो मर्जी हो जाए मुझे पहुंचना है. ये this is a powerful expression, must. And should is there is possibility that one is not coming. And if I say that I must come, it means that I have to come. Understand? Similarly, I shall go there. मैं वहां जाऊंगा. I will go there. मैं जरूर वहां जाऊंगा. Understand? Emphasis के लिए will का इस्तेमाल है. और must भी जो है ये भी inevitable होता है. ये यानी जहाँ पे बहुत ज़रूर चीज़ लाजिम है वहाँ must का इस्तेमाल है. वैसे हम जैसे कहते हैं हमें नमाज पढ़नी चाहिए. We should offer our prayers. ना, इसका मतलब है should का मतलब तो ये होता है चाहे करो या ना करो कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. जहाँ पे must आ जाएगा वहाँ पे obligation हो जाएगी. You must offer your prayers 5 times a day. आपको 5 वक्त की नमाजें पढ़नी पड़ेंगी, ये ज़रूरी है. वहाँ पे must लगेगा क्योंकि वो आपका obligation है. Should तो ये होता है कि जहाँ करो या ना करो आपको मतलब कोई नुकसान नहीं होगा. So these are the things you just keep in your mind. The first one, verb of to be, is RM. It's you use is RM in simple sentences. Similarly, there is use of was and were. Was stands for singular subject and were stands for plural subject. And next, will be and shall be. It's for approaching time, next coming time, will be and shall be. These are the helping verb. And similarly, you will use may be, must be, might be, and must be. Okay, for your present use. And next is verb of have and has. This is verb of have and has. Have stands for plural subject, and has stands for singular subject. So see, this is your present perfect tense. But now you are making only simple sentence without main verb. And had is, this is past perfect. It is being used for remote past. The next is will have and shall have. It's for future. And you also you can use may have, might have, and must have. Understand? So, dear student, you are good listener. So, when I taught you, you were understanding each and everything very meticulously, very deeply. If you are a good listener, then you are a good speaker. If you listen to such speakers, they are very frequent and they are exchanging their ideas. When you will listen to them, you will become good speaker. And whatever I taught you, you listen it very attentively. And now I am going to tell you, you make 5 sentences of each subject, and if you will try your best, practice makes a man perfect. If you will try your best, inshallah, you will be successful. And the thing is this, that you have to construct sentences. Take each and every one subject, make 5 sentences, be, he, she, it, and name of any person. Similarly, you take this one, was and were, and make 5 sentences of each pronoun, he, she, it, name of any person. Similarly, next is will be and shall be. You make 5 sentences of each helping verb. And now come to the verb of have. You just make have 5 sentences of have and then has. Similarly, take the next one. This is you had. It is past perfect, but you have to make only simple sentence without any main verb. Similarly, next will have and shall have. You are supposed to make 5 sentences of each helping verb, and then may have, might have, and must have. Thanks for this your good listening. Inshallah, your this attention will be result oriented. Next time with new zeal and zest and enthusiasm. Allah Ta'ala aapka ham nasir.